Welcome back to One Bit Table, friends. If you're wondering what's the best way to eat the French Gold from Upper Bench, then I would say take it out of the fridge, let it sit at room temperature for half an hour, open up the package and put it in your mouth. But the second best way, it's the famous Oktoberfest Grilled Cheese for One Bit Table. And this is how you can make it in your own kitchen.
Bring me up, town, won't you bring me up? Bring them all around so they see me work. Bring me up, town, won't you bring me up?
Let me tell you my story.
Bring me up, town, won't you bring me up? Bring them all around so they see me work. Leaving good sounds, hear the good sounds. Making so my pride never leave the ground. I'll be on my way, I'll be on my way. Got my hero on, trying to save the day. Living for the king, living for the king. Hope to see the day that the kingdom reigns. I know you can see the light that shines through.
Sometimes it's really wonderful to take an old classic and give it a modern twist, to bring a little excitement to your dinner table. And I think the Oktoberfest Grilled Cheese by One Bit Table will do just that. So let's get cooking.
Music all around, you feel it in your blood. Know that no one dies, so live it like you know. Where the heavens ride is where I want to go. Looking at the sky, looking to the top, praying he will take all my people up. I am what he made, I am what I am. Knowing that the wise them will understand. We can go a long way. Everybody home, come along, say. We are what we are what he made. Moving so we get to a brighter day. I know you can see the light that shines through these rays. I'm spreading my peace. I hope you take this from me. Don't you come alive and hear the wonders of music all around you.
Now serve this with a little salad and you got yourself the perfect lunch. The French Gold works perfectly. It melts beautifully and the herbs really add a new layer of flavors into the dish, making it a lot more elegant. But what if you have friends coming over? Well, watch this. And voila! With very little work, you got yourself a wonderful tapas that will put a smile on the faces of your guests. A big thank you to Upper Bench for the special delivery of the wonderful French Gold, and a big thank you to you for watching. Buon appetito, it's time to go.